Mm, mm. Yo, what's good, my boys? What's good, Isaiah? Let's have a banger day, yes, sir. Let's have a banger day. Good, Travis. Good, y'all, boys. Get some motherfuckers in here. Right on. Getting away. Innovate. Crazy more people not already in here? Yeah, it's not crazy for me because I'm learning. They're not crazy. Crazy for them. Crazy for their journey, their process. We're doing good though. Focus on you, Travis. Keep doing good, bro. I love the consistency for anybody that is always in here. For them, both of us, I ran my money up. Trust. All right, so Apple looks like it broke structure on the 4 hour time frame. What's good, Elijah? What's good, my boy? Looks like Apple broke structure to the upside. It looks like the 1 hour is starting to break this resistance that we were creating. As you guys can see, we just made a higher high. This candle closed above, and this candle's making bullish momentum. So when we see that, we're looking at SPY. SPY broke structure to the upside, breaking this high right here. Boom, broke structure. What do I want to see? I want to see a liquidity sweep on the 1 hour. Basically, we already are seeing a liquidity sweep. I'm going to wait until 10 though. Pretty sure that there's news. Yeah, news at 10. I'm going to wait until after 10 to trade, and then we'll see. What's good, everybody? I'm going to wait until 10 to see how the consumer confidence comes out. But other than that, we are bullish on SPY. Q's looks bullish. We broke structure back to the upside. So what I want to see is obviously it to retrace, come down to fill equilibrium possibly, or sweep liquidity, and then make a move back to the upside. If you guys know the strategy, if you guys know how I trade, you understand what I just said. IWM, let's see, 4 hour, starting to look a little bullish now, especially on the 1 hour I just did. We have equilibrium to come up into this zone up here. I think that we could definitely come up here. Looks like we broke structure to the upside and we're sweeping liquidity. So I feel like we could potentially take out. Is that equal highs? No, not really. No. Yeah, but for as of now, this looks bullish. It looks like, as you guys can see, so what we're looking at is chop, if you I'm going to be completely honest. Like right here, this is all just consolidation for the past couple days. Now, yes, price action was decent, but our bias is going to be a little bit harder to tell when we're not in just like a direct downtrend like this. You know what I mean? We're just kind of moving sideways, not really sure what's happening. But as of now, it does look like it could be bullish. We just have to see some sort of lows get taken out. It looks like on the 4 hour, we're breaking structure to the upside. What's the daily doing? The daily, or the weekly, excuse me. The weekly is still trending on this order block right here. So I do think that we can make a move up anywhere this week. I do think this week's we're gonna see a move up. We have this weekly order block on QQQ. We have the weekly fair value gap. That's getting respected. Now the daily, like we were talking about, came down, filled this gap down here. Boom, making a move up. We are sweeping this high as of now, but we never tapped into this gap, and we have not came into equilibrium. So if you bring it from the low to the high, boom, we're going to want to come into a premium to fill orders to push back to the downside. So either we want to fill this gap by the end of the week. Hopefully that's what I would like to see, especially from all this news. I think that we could definitely see some upside move. Do we have equal highs right here on the daily? Basically, yeah, equal highs on the daily. 4 hour equal highs up here. I didn't even notice that. Let's get it. We're definitely going to target those. I like that. That makes me even more bullish. So when I see equal highs up here, is that a 1 hour equal high too? Wham. 1 hour equal highs up here. I think that's going to be our target for today. I'm bullish today, just depending on, obviously, how we react. But I do think that we could take out these highs and then these equal highs up here. 1 hour. They look pretty equal, right? Kinda. Oh, maybe I was zoomed in. Looks like they're equal highs like that. If you zoom all the way in, still very prominent highs that I think that we can take out. I feel like that's definitely the draw on liquidity now. Do you see any problem with supply and demand? I personally understand it better, but I don't want to understand more than one strategy. So, my personal opinion, the reason you understand it better is because it's this. Draw a box. Oh, bounce. Draw a box. Oh, reject. Now, is it bad? No, I know people that make money off of it. Is it the easiest strategy, and that's why a lot of people talk about it? 100%. Like, if you want me to be honest, this is a demand or supply, demand. You know what I mean? Every time it comes to a demand zone, boom, take a bounce right away. But people that do that are going to get stopped out by liquidity sweeps. They're going to get faked out. They're not going to know the exact area. So it's like supply and demand definitely works, but I would just say just simply just do what works for you. Yo, Groovy, what the fuck? What the fuck? I used to watch this bull when I was a youngin'. What the fuck? That's fire. You starting to trade, BJ? That's lit. That's the guy. That's the guys, or I was a little jit watching this bull. When you started trading with 500, did you have a job? Yeah, 100%, bro. You gotta have a job. You gotta have a job. Gotta have a job. Yeah, that's lit. What's good, Vinny? What's good? We're learning though. We got 60 people in here. For the 60 people that are in here, we're waiting until 10 to trade. We're not taking any trades before 10. Just my personal opinion. I think that I want to wait to see what the bias is. I want to see if we can get a good entry. I want to wait, and it might be a little choppy at first. So I'm just gonna wait to see what's happening, and we'll wait until 10. But for now, I think that SPY could be a little bullish. As of now, we are sweeping out like these hourly highs. We are, no 4 hour highs. But these hourly highs up here are getting swept, and that could push us to the downside. But yeah, other than that, I think that we're a little bullish. I think that we can make an upside move, not right away. Like I don't want it to just go like that. I want to see a downside move and then an upside. Wouldn't we be bearish since we swept 1 hour highs? Yes, but I'm talking about for the whole entire day. I do think that we might sweep these highs and then come down. But look at market structure, brother. You need to look at market structure. And am I 100% right? No. I could be wrong. We could, you know what I mean? No, nobody's always right. You just got to see and do what you see. So I see these highs getting swept out. You're right. But also, I see this high broke above this, and now we're in a market structure shift to the upside. Now we broke structure to the upside. Okay, we're in a downtrend right here. This candle closed above this high. Boom, we broke structure back to the upside on the 4 hour. So market structure's in an uptrend now. So yes, we're sweeping out highs. Cool. Now what I want to see is it come down, sweep out lows to continue to the upside. Would you advise trading at 15 years old? Bro, what? I advise anything. Just came across your page on Instagram. I'm tapped in. I love it, BJ. That's lit, bro. God bless you and your family. Keep up the YouTube, brother. Love the content. Fire, bro. All my stuff's free, BJ. Just continue to watch people's YouTube videos. Watch my YouTube videos. My Discord's free. Join the Discord. It's completely free. Just keep applying pressure, BJ, every day, every day. This shit does not come fast, my guy, at all. It's like it's a longevity thing, but in the long term, all of us in here, everything that we do, the 69 people that are in here, man, this is all gonna pay off in the long run. After how much money did you make trading before you quit your job? So I kind of quit my job before I even really started making money, and I just went full time. And I just stopped going out and wasting money and just kind of just like camped in my fucking room and tried to have as less payments as possible, if that makes sense. Big 60, yes sir. What's good, Mike? What's good, Mikey? What's good, Mikey? Look at IWM and AMD. How we feeling on those? So IWM looks bullish as of now. So we did come down on the daily and fill this order block right here, this down candle to the upside move. Now, did we take out anything on the 4 hour? Okay. So we have this order block down here on the 1 hour time frame. Tapped into that pre-market, and then boom, we just broke structure to the upside. I'm bullish on IWM. As you guys can see, we have a fair value gap right here. Price came down, tapped into the fair value gap, now making a move to the upside. So, what do I want to see? All right, we already swept liquidity. This looks good on the 5-minute, right? And on the 15. So what I might want to see is I might want to see price come down again, potentially to either sweep more liquidity, or we already came into the fair value gap, so we're probably going to plummet to the upside. You know what I mean? We're probably going to go right to the upside. I'm bullish on this. I'm actually going to be looking at this. I like this shit. This is fire. Are they working? Are they working? Q's looking good with those equal highs. Yeah, I like Q's. Yeah, these are basically equal highs. Like, there's a lot of fucking liquidity up here. I think this is bullish too. So I'm going to hop off of here. That's my bias for the day. I think that we're going to go to the upside on IWM, SPY, and Q's. Maybe not right away. That doesn't mean, like, just because I say that doesn't mean buy fucking calls right away. Like, if you aren't looking, like, we're sweeping out liquidity on SPY, sweeping out highs right now. But I do think that the end of the day, whatever we do, we might go to the upside. So I'm a bullish bias for the day, but I'm waiting until 10, and I'm sure 10 o'clock it's going to make us come down here, and then we're going to see an upside move. Not that far, but it doesn't matter how far it is. We can catch the little moves, and that's how we capitalize. Small wins add up. You guys know that. IWM tapping into a bearish fair 1 hour fair value gap. Where at, brother? This, so when I see these, yes, we are tapping into it, but orders already got filled. So as you can see on this fair value gap right here, this big ass gap, price already came up and filled the orders that were right here. So if price comes up to this area without sweeping out this high, these orders were already filled right here. You know what I mean? The resting orders that were inside of the imbalance already got filled and made the move down. So when price comes back up in this area where we already filled, it's not really filling too much still. Yes, there still may be orders, but a lot of those orders already got filled. So what did it do? It's coming up. It's just there's a high right here, sweeping highs, downside. We're kind of just consolidating right here. While we came down to an imbalance that has never got tapped into, and now we're making a good move. So I do think we're going to see some upside movements. I still will wait until 10 o'clock to try to find the best risk to reward possible. And yeah, when is the free course coming? Bro, guys, would everyone in here watch a free course if I did it? It would literally be free. I'm not charging a dime for it. It's going to be a course where I think I don't know if I should do it for like a course for dummies. That's just what people like to call it, like a beginner course. Or do I do just like a strategy course? I don't know. I think personally, it's going to be something like TJR did, some other people did. I think I want to do like an everyday thing, or like an every other day, however much I can upload it. If I miss a day, I miss a day. But I think that I want to do straight like from beginner to like intermediate to what I do, like, you know what I mean, just all of it. So like beginners can watch it, intermediate people can skip through it if they need to, you know what I mean? Like I feel like it'll just always be there. There's too many beginner courses, that is facts. Like I don't want it to be like, okay, this is a trend line, you know what I mean? But I definitely want to go over some of that stuff and explain it, like a trend line. Okay, when you see a trend line like this and you see resistance come up to it, bam, 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 that's called resistance. That's a trend line. That's a downside trend. Basically, like, make a beginner course. That everyone's saying yes. Fire. Brother, we already said yes a million times. Shut your ass up, boy. Alright, I'm gonna make it. Strategies, entry. Exactly. I'm talking about. Now, it's not going to be as good as the inner circle, of course, just because it's not one-on-one action, but it's still going to be super helpful. Super helpful. Yeah, AJ, I saw that. It's still going to be super helpful. So I want to go over like entries, exits. I want to go over my whole entire strategy, discipline, more psychology, equilibrium, how I look for certain order blocks like fair value gaps, liquidity in the market, inverse fair value gaps. 2 to 4 hour videos. Let's go, Porter. It's good. But yeah, I've noticed people stop making them vids when the views fall off and go clickbaiting. No, I don't give a fuck about views. If you know me, you know me. Bro, I don't care about YouTube views. Like all of my vids, tell me one video on my YouTube channel where I edited. I've never edited a YouTube video. Unless it was like my like these ones down here, maybe. But every single one of these videos, I record it and I just fucking post it. I don't care. I keep myself very transparent. I don't give a fuck about all the fancy cut edits. I just be myself. If you like my videos and you like how I talk and who I am, then you like it, right? Look at my videos. Fucking 300 views. I don't care. The only thing I care about is those 300 people. Hopefully they take action and they actually listen to the advice that I give. That's all I care about. That's dead ass all I care about. I don't care about, oh my god, my video got 10K views. That shit don't mean nothing to me. Like, I'll have a video on Instagram Reels. It blows up like 200K. 2 days ago just got like 800K, 50K likes. I'm just sitting here like, okay, I'm still regular Johnny. I'm nobody special. Views don't make you cool or nothing. You know what I mean? I'm only making content for myself and for people. That's all I do this for. I do it to help other people. You're not cool if you get views. And that's just my big opinion. I'll stand on that. Like people will come up to me and like, yo, you got 40K on Instagram? I'm like, yeah, bro. Just fucking regular person. You know what I mean? My biggest thing when learning was deadass, I didn't know how to enter into a trade on my phone. Maybe I can actually teach options in there too. Maybe I can make a YouTube video and get someone to film my phone and go over like like the contracts and stuff maybe. Or I can screenshot the contracts on my phone, put the screenshot on the computer and like put my mouse over like, yo, this is this contract, this is that. I feel like that'll help you guys off. Or that'll help you a lot. Just hopped off your 9 and 21 EMA. Good, bro. That's a good it's a good strategy. Game over, Elijah, literally. Make your money trading, not with courses. Main reason I stick with you. Yes, sir. Got you, bro. For sure, bro. Like obviously, screen record. Oh yeah, I can screen record. That's it right there. Yeah, I could definitely do that. Yeah, I'll help you guys. For sure, for sure. I want to help you guys with all that. Can screen share your phone. That is facts, but I don't want to post a video of just a screen share of my phone. That's what I was just thinking about. That's why I was thinking like if I have my face cam down here and then like just a screenshot of the contracts and then screenshot of everything I wanted to show you guys, I could just straight up just be like, yeah, lonely screen. Oh shit. Oh, we had some memories on there, Mike. Deadass the amount of people that. Yeah, exactly, bro. That is so facts, Elijah. That's not good though, bro. I don't know. Fuck it. All right, well, I'm gonna be off of here, boys. I'm going live in the Discord 9:30, and then we're not taking a trade until 10 a.m. because we do have red folder news. So, um, yeah, we're gonna see actually how a setup comes comes about before news because I'm thinking about starting to trade before 10 and not trade during news. Does that make sense? Like I'm gonna exit my position before 10 o'clock. It depends if the setup is right, but any other time, yeah, don't think I'm gonna trade before 10 too many times. Today, I'm strictly not gonna trade before 10 and I'm just gonna watch, see what happens. Because I've started to see sometimes there is some days where we have news at like 10 and there will be a good ass move before it. And then I'm like, damn, well, if there's good price action before it, why not take it? And then just exit the trade before 10. So, yeah, when did you stop working? Probably like 6 to 8 months ago. Little before that, like a year ago, probably. But yeah, all right. I'll see y'all boys in the Discord. I'm gonna hit a prayer. I'm gonna journal real quick, and yeah, I'm gonna fucking fill more of my coffee up because I'm trying to get pumped the freak up. And yeah, let's have a good day, boys. Hope everyone has a blessed day. Deuces.